how to play surf in CS2. Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to join servers in CS2 quickly and easily. So let's jump right into it. First, when you're on the main screen of CS2, look for the play icon. Next to it, you'll see a globe icon labeled Community Server Browser. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you click it, a new window will pop up. Here, you'll see different tabs like Internet, Favorites, and others. And make sure that the server is surf typed in the server box. And also you're on the Internet tab. Now, you'll see a full list of available community servers that you can join. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find a specific server if you want. Once you find a server you like, simply click on it to highlight it. Then, hit the connect button. That's how you can play surf in CS2. And that's pretty much it, super simple and fast. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more CS2 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.